Hello YouTube, and welcome to your 7th Java tutorial. And in this video we're going to be talking about the if statement. So go ahead, open up Eclipse, and this is right where we left off in the last video. Just delete that, and we're going to create an if statement. So if statements have a couple of parts in them. The first part is the keyword if, then you have parentheses, and then you have brackets, which you can come here, and then this is the code that will run for you if this part in here results in a true statement. So let's just create a boolean. We'll call it test, and we'll just set it equal to true. So now if we say if test is true, then we can print out just test is true. So when we run that, it says test is true. But how often are you going to have a boolean that just results in true? I mean, sometimes we will, and that just makes this easier. But what if you have an int, and we'll say the int is equal to 98. So get rid of that, semicolon, and we'll say int num2 is equal to 100. Now what if we want to compare these in the if statement? So you'd probably think, but that is wrong. That is not, as you can see, we get an error, and it's because you can't convert ints into booleans. This equal sign right here isn't really an equal sign. It's not saying it's saying set this equal to this. It's not saying is this equal to this. A single equal sign in Java is known as an assignment operator. Now if you put two equal signs, that is a test for equality. So now if you run this, nothing will happen because num1 does not equal num2. Now if we made this 98 and then clicked run, test is true. So it's all based on the equal signs, and then if the numbers equal each other. Now what if you wanted to say, let's say we put this 100 back. Now what if you wanted it to say if num1 is less than or equal to num2? So then you put a less than or equal to sign. I will run through all of these in a moment, but just to show you that it works, click run, test is true. So in Java you can have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal to. So this is the not equal to, greater than, and less than. But if you just wanted less than, then you just put the less than. If you just wanted greater than, you just put the greater than. So if we run this one, nothing will happen. So that is pretty much the if statement. Next tutorial, we're going to be making a calculator, or not a calculator, we're going to be creating a random guessing game where we can test if we guess a number right. So I mean, maybe start thinking about that. That will be the second programming challenge. I know we didn't have a lot in between each programming challenge, but that is what's next. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Leave a like, subscribe, go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I always post when I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.